Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm writing out names. I want to thank everyone who has submitted name requests. At this time, I'm no longer taking any more requests. I will finish out all the names I have on my list, so if you've submitted a request before June 18th, 2018, your name is still coming up in a future video. All of the products I'm using will be linked down in the description box below if you're interested. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button. I post a new calligraphy video every Monday and a new watercolor video every Wednesday. If you'd like free calligraphy practice guides, head over to snowberrydesignco.com/subscribe and sign up for my newsletter. Thanks again for watching. Bye!